Mmm. This tastes like a warm hug exactly when you need it. I'm cooking something which is just not a comfort food, which is rich in protein, dense nutrition, satisfying yet very easy to make. You can call it moussaka or you can call it baked paneer, whatever you feel like. So let's start making without any delay. I'm going to make a beautiful arrabbiata sauce. You can call it Concassé. Very mild, tangy tomatoes and a lot of herbs in it. I'm going to make a beautiful, very simple cheese sauce. This one is definitely healthy and you're going to make it again and again. The vegetables which I'm going to use today are little unusual. I'm going to use brinjals, bell peppers, mushrooms. So we are making Concassé first. So let's switch the gas on. To avoid the burning and smoking of the fat, we are going to add garlic first. I've taken olive oil which is extra light and not the virgin olive oil. We are not going to give any kind of color to the garlic. The moment garlic starts releasing its aroma, we are going to add onions. Add salt. Once you see the onions turning translucent, this is the time when you add chilies. I've just added dried mixed herbs. You can even add fresh herbs. This is the right doneness I was looking for this dish. I have blanched the tomatoes and chopped them roughly. I want texture in my food. And this aroma is something which is going to take back to your childhood. Parsley goes in. Now I'm adding fresh basil leaves, and this is going to give another beautiful definition to the entire dish. You need to create harmony into the dishes, and basil definitely does that. This is the consistency what we want. Oil has absorbed capsaicin, which is found in the chilies, and capsaicin actually does a lot good to your health. I've switched the flame off. Time to keep it aside. You can make this concassé and keep under refrigeration up to 5 days. This is the storage technique which I am sharing. In deep freezer, if it is packed nicely and stored well, it can last up to 3 months. The next step, we are going to make Béchamel sauce. But remember, not your regular one. I am going to give some healthy touches to this so that it can keep you healthy and happy. Without heating the pan, add oats powder. I'm adding butter. A quick stir. This is the right color and we have already achieved it. Slowly, gradually add warm milk to this. On low flame, keep whisking this till you get a nice saucy consistency. I'm switching the flame off. Let's begin this magic. Every time when I am making cheese sauce, I never forget to add mustard sauce. You can adjust the consistency if you're finding it very thick by adding small amount of warm milk. Towards the end, while the sauce is still hot, I'm going to add cheese. Whisk it till the entire cheese melts down. The moment you add mustard sauce in the bechamel or the cheese sauce when you're making, it just enhances the entire experience of the sauce. So let's start and begin with the layering celebration. I'm adding paneer to this, which is actually a good source of casein. Casein gets digested little slowly. Here goes some mozzarella and I'm going to mix it. Now we are layering the vegetables. I've taken zucchini, brinjals, mushrooms, bell peppers, and you can layer this completely. A little press so that all the vegetables gets adjusted nicely. Now goes mozzarella. You can use other cheese variants like cheddar or processed or whatever you like. Time to add some more beauty to this, and that is black olives. a little touch of olive oil. So basically this entire dish is very balanced in terms of nutrition, in terms of texture, in terms of taste. Vegetables are adding crunch and fiber. Tomatoes are adding acid and the nutrition. Paneer goes without saying that it is providing protein and fibers and a good carbohydrate coming from oats. Now this entire arrangement is done. Let's start baking and put this into oven. So we have set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius and the time is 20 minutes. But everything depends on what kind of oven you're using and what is the portion of your dish. The baking is done. The beautiful layers of vegetables, paneer, everything is ready to be tasted. This tastes like a warm hug exactly when you need it. Let me serve this beautiful plate to myself because self-love is important. This is a perfect recipe where you want to host a gathering in your house, whether you want to carry this in your tiffin. Sounds very nice when you carry this in tiffin, or make it whenever you want. Give a try. Let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Rahull Singh signing off. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.